Okay, so I want to give you a quick overview of the new Glazy. This isn't all the features, but just the basics so you know your way around. Let's first log in. And after we log in, you'll notice that there are two sections, Community and My Studio. Community is for everyone's things, whereas My Studio is just for your things. The Glazy homepage is still a record of all the recent activity, but it comes with an improved search engine that's a lot more accurate and faster. When creating new posts, comments, or reviews, you'll notice you don't need to use Markdown anymore for formatting. There's a visual editor, so it's easy to add bold text or links. In recipes, you'll see a lot of the same filters and sorting options that you see in the current Glazy. We can change the view, change the sort ordering, select recipes, and even compare them. I'd like to call your attention to the User UMF option. So here we see User UMF, UMF, Extended UMF, %, and mole %. Now, what is User UMF? This is a new feature that allows you to determine how the UMF is calculated. I can choose one of the presets, which is traditional UMF, extended UMF, or I can specify custom UMF groupings. This allows you to tell Glazy which oxides belong to each group. You can even specify how boron behaves. Another new feature is the ability to preview a recipe within the search results. By clicking on the recipe image, I can see a preview of it, and I can navigate within the search results directly in this modal. Alternatively, I can click the recipe title and view the recipe directly in the page. The recipe page itself has pretty much the same layout that you're used to. One improvement is the batch calculator. So I can not only save batches directly in the batch calculator, but I can also view my past batches. I can still weigh together or weigh separately. There's also a new batch wizard. By clicking the Start Weighing button, I have a handy wizard that tells me exactly each step I need to do on the scale until I complete the batch. In the analysis section, you should see your chosen UMF view, but you can also compare it against other UMF views, like traditional or extended. Scrolling down the page, you'll see the same sections that we have in Glazy currently. We have reviews, comments, similar base recipes, and similar analyses. Okay, let's go to My Studio. In recipes, you'll notice that I can create recipes directly inside my recipes section. There is no separate calculator anymore. The idea is that you'll always create recipes within your recipes section or within collection folders. So here I can create a recipe, save it, and it displays in my recipes. From there, I can save it to a collection folder. Let's go into this collection folder and see what we can do. From within this new collection folder, we can create more recipes. We can do a target and solve. And we can even do blends. So let's do a quick line blend. I'll choose the left and the right recipe. The blend preview will show us what our blend will look like. Here in the UMF chart, you can see the blend has been created with 5 recipes. Let's save one of these blend recipes and then dismiss all of the others. And you'll see in the folder we now have 3 recipes, one of them being a blend of the other 2. I know this was just a quick overview, but I hope it makes sense. There is no dedicated calculator page anymore. You create recipes and materials and analyses directly within collection folders or the relevant recipes, materials, and analysis sections. So I hope you'll start using the new site. I welcome your feedback. You can email me at derek@glazy.org, or you can make a support post. Thank you.